Okay, today we're going to have a look at a benchtop comparator. This is a Gage-Master model 29 GM4. It's 110 volts. You plug it in your wall. Sits on this cabinet. You've got a DRO on the top here. Reading out to the tenths in inches. Comes with a lot of extra accessories. There's a 10x lens in it right now. This has surface illumination as well as profile. Comes with this little holder that holds something vertically. Comes with this type to hold something horizontally. A couple of V-blocks to hold some other kind of parts, some between centers. The bottom of the cabinet here, you've got a lot of charts and stuff from the last company that owned it that maybe could be helpful to you. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. It's got a nice, clear, bright image. You can see the color here, the brass from the case. Or if you wanted to shut that off, just to see the shadow graph and to move things around. Get your measurements. You got your lit radius chart here on the side. A couple of more V-blocks over here. Nice looking machine altogether. That's the Gage-Master Series 20. 29/GM4 comparator. Thank you very much.